Hello guys, welcome to my brand new episodes. My name is Tausif Siddiqui and this video is purely sponsored by DF Robots because they sent me the very famous onboard computer, the Latte Panda version 1.0 with a 7-inch display and a touch panel. And in this video, I will be talking about in detail what is Latte Panda and what projects we can implement using the Latte Panda. And before starting the video, let me tell you, if you go to buy the Latte Panda in India, it will cost you from 10,000 to 20,000 rupees. But on DF Robot, you will find it just for 8,000 to 10,000 rupees and they deliver it within just 7 to 10 days. And I will provide you the email ID and the link to buy the products in the description. And I will recommend you to visit their website because they got lots of cool stuff for low price. And without talking much, let's go and take a closer look. So here is the Latte Panda box. Let's remove the DF Robot seal. Flip it open. All the way from China to India. So here is the Latte Panda, the IPS display, and obviously the capacitive touch panel. So first I will be talking about the display. You will get a 7-inch IPS display which comes with 1024 by 600 of pixel and comes with very good packing, 10 of 10 for packing. Looks like a serious computing component. Very shiny at the backside. I will keep it aside because I am very good in damaging and breaking displays. And here is the 7-inch touch panel overlay for the 7-inch display. Let's see what's the inside. Same thing, very good packing. And this is the overlay touch panel. Here is the Latte Panda version 1.0. This one got 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of eMMC, that is internal memory in a short form. The Latte Panda comes in two variants, one with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory, that is eMMC. Let's see what's the inside. And here is the onboard computer. Looks very good quality. Let me just remove it out of the packet. And here is the Latte Panda 1.0 powered by Intel Cherry Trial Z8300 quad-core processor with a base frequency of 1.44 GHz to the burst frequency of 1.92 GHz with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of eMMC, that is embedded multimedia controller, or the flash memory from where the Latte Panda get booted up. The Latte Panda comes in two variants, that is 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of eMMC, and the other variant with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of eMMC. Both the variants share the same processor, but the only difference is RAM and eMMC, that is the flash memory. The Latte Panda have GPU of Intel HD Graphics, that is graphic processing unit of Intel HD Graphics, and inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and amazingly this thing have Atmega32, that is Arduino, as a core processor. And if you are Arduino user, these pins might look familiar to you because these are IO pins of Arduino controller. And if you wish to connect sensors to it, you can do it simply connecting them to the pins provided here. And there are few more ports for communicating with the Intel processor directly. And on the right hand side you will find one RJ45 connector or the Ethernet connector, 3.5 mm audio jack, micro SD card connector. You can even insert a micro SD card as an external storage device, micro USB connector for powering the whole board. On the left hand side you will find three USB ports, one version 3 and 2 version 2 HDMI connector. And finally, here you have display and touch panel overlay connector. And when we talk about the software, the Latte Panda comes with pre-installed Windows 10, and you will find two variants. One is non-activated version and one is activated version. Here I have the activated version. For this you need to pay a few extra bucks. And that's pretty much all about the Latte Panda version 1.0, and in the next video we will be making portable PC or a pocket PC using the Latte Panda version 1.0, and we will be installing games like Project IGI, Wolfenstein on this board. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel. I will be coming with more and more interesting videos, so stay tuned. I will be right back. Thank you for watching.